Object-oriented programming can teach us a lot about healing trauma and processing decades of stuck emotions in our body. So basically, in object-oriented programming, you can create objects and then pointers to those objects. In a language like C++, every time you instantiate an object, so like the equivalent would be experiencing an emotional event, there's the mind counterpart, right? So say you undergo some negative emotional event that stains you emotionally and it's stuck in your body. There's the memory of it and then the physical imprint in your body. The counterpart in programming would be when you create an object, the pointer to that object in your computer's memory is like the cognitive memory, and then the actual object itself is like the data, the whatever the object stores. The human equivalent is the emotional imprint, right? A big problem in programming that many programmers fall for is forgetting to clean up unused objects or objects they don't need anymore. And for us, that might be cleaning up our emotional experiences that unknowingly keep us stuck. In programming, you not only need to set the pointer to null, but if you don't delete the object that pointer had pointed to, it will just be sitting in memory, taking up space, perhaps introducing bugs downstream and causing a lot of problems. A lot of us try to do the same with our own traumatic experiences, that we're simply just trying to forget the memory of it, which is like equivalent to assigning the pointer to null. But in the meantime, we have that emotional experience still simmering in our body, taking up space, not allowing other emotions to replace it. And just like in a program, if you don't explicitly delete the object itself, as well as assigning the pointer to null, that object will just be floating in memory somewhere, taking up space, perhaps harming other parts of the program or computer. So we need to enforce good programming practice and delete not only the cognitive memory that's holding us back, but also the emotional counterpart in our bodies. Just like a computer, you've got to clear the garbage.